All right, this year we're hosting the big game at home, and I wanted to make it super fun without breaking the bank. Everything you're about to see is from affordable finds, and honestly, it turned out amazing. I served up MOWI Fjord salmon burgers and drew little football stitches on the buns with cream cheese. Then came the MOWI Sweet Bourbon Salmon Bites, and I set them up on a tray that looks like a mini football stadium. Easy, budget-friendly, and totally crowd-pleasing. With MOWI, the snacks are ready, the football is about to kick off, and the fun is just getting started. Game day done right.